The value of money. Inspiring short story about self-worth. A class instructor stand up in front of her student carrying $100 before the start of a new school year. Put your hands up if you want this money. She instructs them. The teacher adds, I am going to give this money to someone here. But first, let me do this. As each hand in the room rises. Before asking, she grabs the bill and scrunches it up in her palms. The hands remain raised. The instructor then stomps and cranes the bill into the ground before picking it back up. She asks once more, how about now? The hands remain raised. Student, I hope you learned something from this. You desired this money regardless of what I did to it, since its value remained the same. It's still worth $100 despite its creases and scuffs. The same applies to us, she continues. You will experience similar situations where you get robbed, hurt, and dirty throughout life. However, you retain your value regardless of what occurs. Moral of this story: we will all experience difficulties in life at some point, frequently through no fault of our own. Don't let these difficulties affect how you feel about yourself. You will always be sufficient because you have something exceptional and one of a kind to contribute to the world. That's the story about self-worth. I hope you learned something from this story. Hope you like this story. If you like this story, do like our videos and share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching and also take care.